ChatGPT has been blowing everybody's mind recently, and the race to turn the AI chatbot into a moneymaker is heating up. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to grow your online business and make money with ChatGPT. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Josh from Shoplazza, your e-commerce partner and business builder. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button to get the latest tutorials and hacks to grow your e-commerce business. So, you may have heard your friends talking about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a popular artificial intelligence chatbot from OpenAI. It gained 1 million users in a span of 5 days. That is really incredible. ChatGPT offers conversational, if somewhat stilted responses. The bot remembers the thread of your dialogue, using previous questions and answers to inform its next responses. It derives its answers from huge volumes of information on the internet. Additionally, ChatGPT can be trained to understand and respond to specific customer queries and provide recommendations based on customer behavior. This makes it a powerful tool for generating leads, analyzing customer data, and improving business operations. Now, I'm going to show you some cases about how you can grow your online business with ChatGPT. So, the first case is finding winning products to sell online. A winning product is one that is in high demand, has low competition, and offers a high profit margin. When you find a winning product, you can increase your sales and revenue and grow your business. We have dived deep into how to find winning products for dropshipping businesses. Don't forget to check it out in the upper right corner or the description box down below. When using ChatGPT to find winning products, it's important to be specific about your target market, product niche, and the data you want to analyze. This will ensure that ChatGPT provides the most accurate and relevant information for your business. The first step to finding winning products is to identify a niche that you want to focus on. This could be anything from pet products to electronics to fitness equipment. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm potential niches based on your interests or previous successful product categories. For example, I can type, "Give me some ideas about niche markets to sell online." Once you have identified your niche, you can use ChatGPT to generate a list of potential product ideas. You can prompt ChatGPT with phrases like "product ideas for pet supplies." Next, you can evaluate the demand for the product ideas you have generated by searching the dedicated term on Google Trends. For example, I'm interested in the pet health product, and I can see that the search volume has increased recently year about this term. So I can learn that maybe this is a great niche I can focus on. After evaluating the demand for your product ideas, you can use ChatGPT to analyze the competition in your chosen niche. You can ask ChatGPT questions like, who are the top competitors in pet health and wellness products? As you can see, ChatGPT is giving the answers by listing out several popular brands that are selling this niche, so you can quickly do your competitor research and analysis. Based on your research, you can use ChatGPT to estimate the potential profitability of your product ideas. So I'm asking, what is the average selling price for pet health and wellness products? So ChatGPT gives out some types of products and their average prices, and we can take them as a reference for determining our product pricing. A well-written product description can help build trust with potential customers by providing them with detailed information about the product. This includes information about the product's features, materials, and dimensions, which can help customers make an informed purchasing decision. Product descriptions that contain relevant keywords and phrases can also help improve a website's search engine rankings. This is because search engines use these keywords to determine the relevance of a website to a particular search query. So, a well-optimized product description can help a business's products appear higher in search engine results, leading to increased visibility and more potential customers. ChatGPT can write product descriptions for you, taking into account the key features and benefits of a product, as well as your target audience and brand voice. For example, if I'm selling my coffee mug cups, I can type, "Please write me a product description for my custom-made coffee mug cup, including materials, quality, weight, size, prestige, and special handmade feature." And here's what it comes out with. It's really awesome because it's informative with engaging and persuasive words and conveys everything that I want it to include. Based on a set of keywords, ChatGPT also helps enhance existing product descriptions by adding additional details, improving the language, and making sure the descriptions are SEO friendly. Besides, ChatGPT can assist in generating product descriptions in multiple languages, helping businesses expand their reach to new markets and reach a wider audience. One of the most popular use cases for ChatGPT is in customer service. By creating a chatbot powered by ChatGPT, you can provide 24/7 support to your customers, regardless of the time zone or language they speak. Chatbots can be programmed to understand a wide range of customer inquiries, from simple questions about product availability to more complex issues that require personalized attention. By using ChatGPT to power your chatbots, you can provide fast, accurate, and personalized responses to their customers, improving customer satisfaction and driving sales. Chatbots can also be programmed to collect customer information, such as contact information and preferences, which can be used to personalize future interactions. ChatGPT can gather customer feedback and analyze customer data in real time. It provides valuable insights into customer preferences and needs, such as purchase history, to identify trends and patterns. So you can make data-driven decisions about which products to stock, how to price products, and how to target customers. ChatGPT can also be used to segment customers based on their purchasing behavior, demographics, and other factors. This information can help you make better decisions about product development and marketing. Okay, so now you've got ideas about growing your online business and making money using AI, it's time to take the action and start with the very first step, to build up your online store. If you don't know where to get started, make sure to check out Shoplazza. Shoplazza is the easiest platform for creating an online store, especially for beginners. The best part is that Shoplazza can automatically generate an online store for you after you upload your products, which is really cool and time-saving. So if you're ready, remember to hit the link in the description box below to try for free. As we included so much today, artificial intelligence really has all the signs of being a technological game changer. What do you guys think? Are you guys on or against AI revolution? Let me know in the comments below. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.